So we're still looking at the latest here. Live look outside. You do see again some cloud cover, trying to even maybe peek a blue sky out there as well this morning too. So as we continue to see that this morning, no rain in the CBD, but don't put your guard down. We'll see more rain a little bit later on in the day today as the rain kind of spirals around Cindy here, and still not seeing quite as much rain. And one thing we've noticed, a lot of dry air coming in. It's looking less like a tropical system here and just like more like a low like it once was. Not as impressive as it did yesterday. Winds are still at 60 miles per hour though, according to ship reports down there in the Gulf, moving northwest at 8 and pressure 997 millibars. It is forecast to weaken. You see here about 50 miles per hour once we get toward landfall there sometime late tonight and early on Thursday morning, and it continues to weaken as it works its way inland and loses tropical characteristics over the next couple of days. Now what we can take away from it still, rain totals between yesterday, today, and tomorrow around 4 to 8 inches. That flash flood watch remains in effect. Storm tide levels still running 2 to 4 feet with some coastal flooding issues and sustained winds around 20 to 30 miles per hour, but there's gusts around 40 to 60, so really not that bad out there for the day today. Now we do have again tropical storm warnings for the coastline because those winds are still very strong there, and they actually spread inland as well. When the winds got up to 60 miles per hour last night, the wind field it got bigger, as you can see here, including southeast Louisiana now, and that's why we have those tropical storm force conditions expected now across the CBD. By 7 o'clock tonight, the back edge of the wind still kind of over us, and then once it makes landfall, those stronger winds go farther to the west and will be improving weather for us, at least with the stronger winds. Now we do have to deal with tropical tornadoes still out there, so a tornado watch is in effect until 10 o'clock this morning for much of southeast Louisiana and the Mississippi coast. And you'll see here on pinpoint Doppler radar, not as much rain down along the coastline, which is good. Heavier rain still coming on in from the Spillway, Hahnville area, Laplace back to Lutcher. Gusty winds, heavy downpours with that, even some thunder and lightning tied in with that as well too. Back off to the back here a little more close to the city. Some showers to our south may kind of clip the city around 617 this morning. Bucktown around 621 there, Gretna around 613. So we'll continue watching more of this rain coming on in, improving weather in the Lafitte, Jean Lafitte area as this band kind of works its way farther toward Marrero, the West Bank, Uptown area. Some lighter rain falling there here onto the CBD. More heavy rain near the New Orleans east over toward the Twin Spans back into Slidell area, heading to much of St. Tammany, Mandeville, Covington area. Heavy rain falling here up near the Bogalusa area as well as these bands continue to work their way in from the Mississippi coast, where heavy rain is falling from Biloxi back into Gulfport. But as I mentioned, drier air kind of wrapping around this, and that's going to limit the amount of rain we see today, giving us more scattered versus widespread showers and thunderstorms, but still the deep tropical moisture will be in place. So you'll see there will be some breaks in the action from time to time during the day today, even by 10 o'clock tonight into tomorrow morning. So we will see again scattered versus that widespread shield of rain today and the next couple of days. And you'll see here again heavy rain continues on into Friday and of course on into this upcoming weekend, more typical summertime weather.